One of my favorite things to remember is we would stay after school with my Nina and her family, and we would do homework and hang out with our cousins and not do much of anything. But the best moments were when we would get to their house and you just smell the delicious scent of TURON in the air. It's just so delightful. Hafa Adai Familia, welcome to Kusina Tano Itasi, or Land and Sea Kitchen, where I share my love for my island through good food that's good for you. Today we're going to be doing our own twist on a Filipino staple that is just pretty much everyone's secret craving in Guam, turon or banana lumpia. These caramelized. Let me know what you think. I don't know. I feel like I go back and forth. Caramelized banana fried spring rolls, basically, that they're sweet and instead of savory, are these awesome just bites of happiness. So I really wanted to do my own version that was baked rather than fried and using non-refined sugar. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's prepara. First off, we're going to start with our banana. I am in love with the color of this. I think it's going to be great. And you're going to cut off each fruit from the stem. And after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and cut each of the bananas in half, and that'll make it easier for you to peel it off. And just make sure that there aren't any bits of the skin still attached to the bananas, as that it's gonna give some bitter flavor, so you want to make sure we're not doing bitter for this recipe. So go ahead and peel that all off. And when you just have flashbacks of I don't know, there's different memories you have when you do random tasks. When I peel bananas, I do really think of my Nina and her, honestly, the best ever banana lumpia. It's awesome. So I just have been thinking of her this entire time I've been making this, and so this is a shout out to you. I love you so much, Nina. Thank you for being the best godmother around. So next you're gonna go ahead and dredge all of the banana pieces in coconut sugar, and I just thought it was really pretty, so I'm taking a little video. You're gonna go ahead and use whatever spring roll wrapper you would like, and you're gonna just pour some hot water over it to get it to be malleable. And I went for a rice-free option using this mung bean base wrapper, and if I'm being truly honest, it wasn't my favorite. I did think that using a traditional rice wrapper gave for a better texture probably, but actually this made me want to create my own recipe for just any dumpling dough, and whenever I do that, I will let you know. I'll probably make some recipe with it and maybe do this recipe again, or who knows, maybe make some dumplings. The possibilities are endless. So whatever wrapper you choose, go ahead and just wrap your bananas in those sheets, and you're just going to kind of wrap it like a burrito by folding each side in and then rolling it up. And you're going to continue that for all of them, and then once that's done, you're going to take some melted coconut oil and just kind of slather it on to each of those banana lumpias, and go ahead and flip them over and do the same to the other side. This will just help the turon to crisp up evenly. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and take your sheet and bake it in the oven for 20 minutes on 350. And next up is going to require an ingredient that I'm so excited about. I ordered some honey from Hafa Adai Honey on Guam. They are an awesome local beekeeper company, and they harvest honey from happy little bees in different villages around the island. I think what they're doing is so awesome. I'm really proud of what they do, and I love any opportunity I can to shout out to them. I just added half a cup of coconut milk and about a teaspoon or half a lemon's worth of lemon juice. And this is going to be the base for our honey caramel sauce. And so we're gonna go ahead and whisk those two ingredients together, and I mean, last but not least, add our awesome honey to this mixture. So it's really cool to see how each of these honeys look differently and taste slightly different too. We've got honey today from Varigata and Inarahan and Tamuning, which are 3 different villages on Guam. And I went a little crazy and added all 3 of these honey options because I couldn't just pick one. In total, it was about a 1/3 cup, and when it tastes good, go ahead and do a happy dance just like I'm doing right now. I am so excited about this honey caramel sauce. It's awesome. So you're gonna go ahead and let that liquid reduce to about half. By this time, your TURON is probably done. So go ahead and just dredge those awesome, yummy, sweet, crispy goodness pieces of happiness in this coconut caramel sauce. If you're wanting a bit more sweetness, you can just go ahead and take the remaining of the caramel sauce and just dredge that on top. And I mean, a little more honey didn't hurt anyone, right? I don't think. So once you're done with that, guys, you're all done. Taf and yocho. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like what you saw today, please let me know if you end up making it at home yourself. I would love to collab with you. I would love to hear your thoughts and any ideas you have of recipes that you'd like me to make. I'm always happy to hear new ideas. Just let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, like it. And if you want to keep seeing more, please subscribe and tell your friends and families to do the same. Until next time, Tafa Nyocho. Hey babe, you're too loud.